Hey, to change the language of the Google Assistant on the Google Pixel 8a, first open the settings, then open apps. Now scroll and find Assistant, open it, and then go for the languages. And as you can see in my case, I've got the English from the United Kingdom, but if I want to actually add another language, I have to click on the plus. And let's say that I want to add Polish language. It's just right here, so I have to click on it, and now it's selected. So now we can try to say something in the Polish. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Let's try one more time. Hey, Google. Looks like it doesn't work. Okay, I just turned off the Hey, Google. Let's try one more time. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Jaka jest pogoda?
We Węgrzyce mamy 20.
Okay, and as you can see, it works. And right now, if I say in the English, Hey, Google. What is the weather tomorrow in Vienna?
There will be scattered showers.
Yeah, and as you can see now I can use Google Assistant in the two different languages. And that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.